As the complexities of your business continue to increase, so do your stakeholders' requirements for additional documents. While it's possible you have these documents saved and ready to be provided, it may be in the form of many different file types scattered all over your Quickbase applications, making the process of finding them, saving them, and sending them to be incredibly inefficient. That's where PDF Merger comes in. Maybe your boss or executive team would like a summarized document of all of your POs, contracts, employee expenses, monthly KPIs, and more from this year. Or perhaps your company is shipping products across the globe, and as part of this, you're required to provide shipping labels, a BOL, an insurance certificate, buyer and seller details, etc. PDF Merger allows you to easily click a button in your application and convert all of these files from different file extensions into one cohesive PDF document. But before I show you how this works, a quick intro into us. We're Juice Technologies, and we've been helping Quickbase users like yourself get more value out of their applications for the better part of 20 years. We provide add-ons, plugins, and professional services that extend the native capability of Quickbase, supporting you every step of the way. Now, quick disclaimer, the screen you're about to see here is set up through our PDF Merger Setup Wizard, which included the creation of all the fields and tables necessary to be successful here. If you have any questions on that, please visit us at juicetech.com or contact us at support@juicetech.com. So what I have here is just a simple button that's going to trigger an event to happen, and that event is going to kick off PDF Merger. So if you imagine that this PDF Merger table is your master table, and maybe this is a claims table, so you want to create a claims package. So you have many documents of this claim package that include employee information. So let's just pull up quickly all this employee information. So we have this company sign-off asset is an Excel. So here's that Excel here. And maybe you also have a direct deposit form, which is a docx. So here's that direct deposit form. Maybe you have an emergency contact information, which is this PDF here. And then maybe you just have a standard copy of their license as well. So for this claim, you need all of these separate documents. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click that button there. You're going to see the page refresh. And now I've executed PDF Merger. So the parameters behind the scenes have now fired off, and it's going to finish this process in just a few seconds and then save the finished, merged, combined document together as a PDF right here. So if I hit refresh, you should see that this process has kicked off. I can now click this most recent version of the PDF and open it up. So now you can see here's that Excel file converted into a PDF, the docx file converted into PDF, the PDF as well being attached, and then that driver's license. So that's just one version of PDF Merger. Now, again, this did come from a child table. Each one of these records are just a super simple from this child table. This is just an example. Of course, these files will be of your own. One other popular question we get is, can you have all of these come from the master table? Of course, yes, you can as well. You could also have these come from scattered tables. So it could come from source PDF 1, 2, or 3 as well. But we also can do this via a query. So in this example here, we have a child table. And in this child table, we have a query that says, if this checkbox is checked, include it in the finished file. So this automation diagram we're not going to include. So let's just kick this off. And now we're generating this new PDF Merger package. So this is going to generate, and I'll just quickly tell you about some other options. We also can generate using a report ID. So now we have report ID 5 from one of our separate child tables. So we can choose to include all of these attachments based off of that report. You could also pull files from Dropbox or Amazon S3 as well. But let's just go back to that query version. I'll hit refresh. You'll see that it's been updated, and we can see this other employee document package where we have all of the files that were included. Well, that was on me, guys. Let's go back to the query one, choose the right form, and let's take a look at that. That's better. So this is the one with the query. So we were bringing back just those files there. So, to summarize, PDF Merger will help you save time and improve efficiencies within your application. So you do not have to have your employees searching around to find all of these different document types and trying to convert them into a PDF themselves. This will give you a consistent output for your users, whether you're making claims forms or doing BOLs and packages, or if you're just making executive reportings, PDF Merger is for you. If you have any questions on whether or not PDF Merger will work for your specific use case, please feel free to reach out to us at support@juicetech.com. Thanks so much.